Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric baseboard heater that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Cadet Manufacturing 05534 Electric Baseboard Heater. If you are looking to radiate heat and prefer to enjoy the quiet and reliable warmth of a convection-style baseboard heater, this Cadet Manufacturing 05534 heater is great for delivering zonal heat. You can quickly and efficiently take the chill out of a room year-round without having to fire up the entire central heating system. This Cadet unit has been specially designed for easy installation and should keep you and your family warm for many years to come. It's available in 3 different sizes according to the room size you are heating, from 120, 240 to 208 volts, and it's ideally suited for rooms up to 200 square feet overall. It comes in either a sleek and contemporary bright white finish or a warmer and softer almond color according to your home decor. It makes a practical and stylish solution to your heating needs and can be optionally placed on the floor or wall mounted. It requires a thermostat to control and operate the temperature, which must be purchased separately. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Heatwave EB 98937 Electric Baseboard Heater. This particular device, their EB98937, features an adjustable thermostat control as well as 2 separate heat settings. There's a low setting at 500 watts and a high one pumping out 1000 watts. It provides you with the freedom and flexibility to customize your heat setting. It's pretty impressive and can adequately heat up a room up to 400 square feet, and it additionally comes fitted with a safety cutout feature. Heatwave EB 98937 convection baseboard heater will simply switch itself off automatically before the unit has a chance to overheat, and thereby prevents any damage. It's not the most stylish of slimline of units, but it's certainly powerful enough for small rooms and personal use. At number 3, we have the Lasko 5622 low-profile silent room heater. This elegant and attractive-looking low-profile electric baseboard heater from Lasko comes with a fully adjustable thermostat which conveniently allows you to control your environment, setting the room temperature anywhere from 60 to 85 Fahrenheit. It does take slightly longer to heat a room, but that's because this unit uses warm air convection. One major benefit of that being this unit is super quiet, so ideal for a bedroom. That contemporary low-looking profile and sleek white design also ensure that it blends in nicely with any hot decor. Good looks aside, it's also packed with safety features, including an automatic overheat protection system as well as having an auto-off timer function which can be set anywhere between 1 and 8 hours. It's also portable and lightweight and comes with a convenient carry handle, so you can quickly move your Lasko 5622 heater from one location to another. At number 2, we have the Homegear 1500W low-profile electric baseboard heater. Homegear's heater is perfect for any and all spaces, from living rooms to bedrooms. Just set it up and let it do its job. You will not be disturbed by the constant on-off clicking of other brands. You have the option of an Eco mode 750W or a Max mode 1500W, which can be used together with the manual thermostat to reach your ideal temperature. Barely any assembly is required this freestanding, portable baseboard heater. And finally, at number 1, we have the Comfort Zone Convection Baseboard Heater. Comfort Zone Convection Baseboard Heater boasts dual wattage, delivering both 750 and 1500 watts of power, plus a heavy gauge heating element that's virtually silent. The heating element itself is also adjustable, so you're fully in control of your own heat settings and the overall temperature of your room. There's no tricky assembly to set up required and no installation either. All you need to do is decide upon the best location, plug your electric baseboard heater in and sit back and relax. For improved efficiency, there's even a built-in safety overheat protection system, so you really have nothing to worry about. The design is sturdy and practical, yet contemporary too. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.